Hey guys, Braeden here from Motorwork in Kelowna. I've got a 2003 Mercedes SL AMG. We're going to just run through some basic under the hood checks. First off, I like to just start with a quick visual inspection. A lot of things can be seen and diagnosed just by quickly checking underneath the hood. So first thing I'm checking is the belts, belt tension, and for any sort of oil sweating, leaks, coolant leaks, things like that. Right after that, we will check, we'll start over here with the coolant. Coolant, you have to be careful when you're checking, because if you come in and the vehicle's too hot, you can get hot fluid on your hands, in your face. Coolant can be checked in a few different locations on the reservoir. Some have a floating dipstick, others are a visual inspection on the clear plastic of the tank. This one looks well. While you're looking at the coolant, you're also looking for any sort of contamination or discoloring. That'll give you some indications as to coolant oil mixture, breakdown of components, hoses, things like that. This one looks good. Next thing here is power steering fluid. Again, when you're checking power steering fluid, it usually has multiple levels on the dipstick for temperature related. So the first one here is you're going to check it when it's cold, or you're going to check it when it's hot. This car right now is cold, and we're sitting right at the minimum mark on the power steering, so you could top this up a little bit. So next we're going to check the engine oil level. With this particular Mercedes, a special tool is required to check the oil level. On here we'll stick the dipstick in, and we have measurements here in millimeters that will tell us how much oil is in the engine. With this one, back here, you just pull the cap. You're going to slide the dipstick in. Until it reaches the bottom. And on here it shows you where the engine oil is at. So that specification can be found online in your owner's manual, and this is how you check it on this AMG.